Okay, this is the four-wheel drive problem with 2017 F150. The four-wheel drive will not stay in long enough to pull it out. As a matter of fact, it went out as I went into this little ditch. Nothing to it. Been in and out of this ditch many times, dropping off some corn in my feeder, and my hitch is on the ground over there. That typically hits right there. It's not a problem, but my tires went in a little bit deeper this time because it's wet. And then all of a sudden the four-wheel drive went out. Every so often I can get it kicked back in, but it's not long enough to do anything. And it sounds like it's gonna explode, and then it comes out. So yes, a Ford F-150 is a piece of crap, and this is the second time the four-wheel drive has malfunctioned. They do some type of vacuum actuation crap, and I will not be keeping this F-150. I like it as far as the looks of it. I put a lift kit on it and 35-inch wheels and Moto Metal rims, and decked it out with camo interior, and did all kinds of stuff to it to get it where it is today. But it's got 32,000 miles on it. This is the second time. The first time it had 18,000 miles on it when the four-wheel drive started screwing up. But this is the last time I'm going to be worried about this. I'm pretty confident I'm going to clean this bad boy up, take it to the dealership, and get them to fix the four-wheel drive, and I'm going to put this piece of crap up for sale. Okay, this is what it looks like when a GMC pulls my Ford out. It's my son. Thank you for your help. And Dad, thank you for coming to rescue me. My 17-year-old had to get in there and put it in reverse. I had it in neutral. I was trying to drag it up by myself. He said, Dad, if I can just get in there and put it in reverse, it'll come out. He was right. He put it in reverse, and it started coming out, but then I just tried the four-wheel drive to see if it would work again, and it finally worked when it didn't have much tension on it or stress. So there you have it.